Hello and welcome to our video on the development of wrapping paper. In this video, we'll be exploring the history of this everyday item and how it has evolved over time. From its ancient origins to modern innovations, we'll delve into the fascinating story of wrapping paper and its role in gift giving and celebration. Ancient origins of wrapping paper. The concept of wrapping gifts dates back to ancient civilizations, where gifts were often presented in simple cloth or animal hide wrappings. In ancient Egypt, gifts were wrapped in papyrus, a type of paper made from the papyrus plant. This paper was produced by slicing the stem of the papyrus plant into thin strips and arranging them in layers, before pressing and drying them to create a sheet. Papyrus was highly prized for its durability and versatility, and it was used for a variety of purposes, including writing and artwork. In ancient Rome, gifts were wrapped in silk or linen cloth. These materials were costly and reserved for the wealthy, but they added a luxurious touch to gift giving. The evolution of wrapping paper in the Middle Ages. During the Middle Ages, wrapping paper began to take on more decorative forms. In Europe, papermaking techniques improved, allowing for the creation of more intricate and ornate wrapping paper designs. This was especially evident during the holiday season, when people would use elaborate wrapping paper to wrap gifts for their loved ones. One popular technique was marbling, which involved creating a pattern on the surface of the paper by floating different colored inks on top of one another and then transferring the pattern to the paper using a variety of methods. This resulted in beautifully patterned wrapping paper that was prized for its uniqueness and beauty. The introduction of printed wrapping paper. It wasn't until the 19th century that printed wrapping paper became widely available. The first known printed wrapping paper was produced in the United States in the 1850s, and it quickly gained popularity due to its low cost and ease of use. This marked a significant shift in the wrapping paper industry, as it allowed for mass production of wrapping paper at a low cost, making it accessible to a wider audience. The rise of mass-produced wrapping paper. The introduction of mass production techniques in the 20th century revolutionized the wrapping paper industry. With the ability to produce large quantities of wrapping paper quickly and inexpensively, companies were able to offer a wide range of designs and styles to meet the needs of consumers. This led to an explosion of different wrapping paper options, from traditional holiday designs to more modern and trendy styles. Modern innovations in wrapping paper. Today, wrapping paper has come a long way from its ancient origins. In addition to traditional paper wrapping, there are now a wide variety of materials and techniques used to create unique and creative wrapping options. For example, some companies have begun using eco-friendly materials such as recycled paper or plant-based materials to create sustainable wrapping options. In recent years, technology has also played a role in the development of wrapping paper. Some companies are now using digital printing techniques to create high-quality, custom wrapping paper designs that can be personalized for each customer. In addition, the rise of online shopping has led to the development of convenient packaging options such as gift bags and wrapping paper rolls that can be easily shipped to customers. As we've seen, the development of wrapping paper has come a long way since its ancient origins. From simple cloth and animal hide wrappings to modern innovations in materials and technology, wrapping paper has played a central role in gift giving and celebration for centuries.